guys, welcome to my green niche. Today I am going to talk about wheatgrass. Wheatgrass, you most probably might have heard about it for its various health benefits. Wheatgrass is available in market in form of wheat powder or wheat juice. I have also seen wheatgrass available in market in raw form. And wheatgrass are very costly in market, be it a juice or in a powder form or even raw. They are super costly. Wheatgrass are very useful. It improves your digestion, it improves blood circulation, it is good for asthma and also ulcer, and it has lot of various other health benefits. A few days back I had uploaded a video on how to grow top 5 microgreens, and I had told that these microgreens you can easily grow in your home. Also, wheatgrass was among one of the microgreens. So do check out my previous video on how to grow microgreens. Wheatgrass is also considered a superfood. So why not grow wheatgrass on your own? And trust me, it gives immense satisfaction and pleasure to watch the whole video. And in the end of this video, I will be updating you about the microgreens which I had grown few days back. And I had also uploaded a video on top 5 microgreens. So do check out and do watch the whole video. And also let me know in the comment section whether you have tried growing wheatgrass on your own. So this is my methi, as you can see. From past few days it's raining here in Bangalore, so few of my leaves have rotten, but hopefully this will grow. This is my wheatgrass. I had harvested this once and it has grown again. I will reuse this grass again. This is my moong. It has grown very nicely. I will harvest it very soon. So this is my mustard. I had harvested mustard few days back to use in my salad. You can use mustard in your salad, or even you can let the mustard grow fully and you can use it as sarson ka saag. And this is my coriander. Coriander is also growing very nicely. And I also wanted to show you something. So I had uploaded a video on how to propagate plant in water, I mean cuttings in water, and I had grown this around a month back. It has flowered, so do check out my another video as well. So thank you for watching, and if you like more such videos, do comment down below, and also if you have different ideas, do comment as well. Thank you so much, and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.